Welcome back to Fuerteventura. We're here for the World Cup and we're back with a daily video report. You guys were on fire, commenting, liking, subscribing. I hope you will be again. And that's why we brought back the daily video updates, because you guys liked it so much. We're here right above the René Egli Center. The spot is absolutely beautiful. We obviously came a couple of days before the event for some tuning, for some training. And what that looked like, you will see now. All right guys, we're here in the gear tent, the slalom gear tent in Fuerteventura, right above the René Egli Center. And guess what? It's windy. So we're lucky with the conditions, that's for sure. Right now we're here in the surf center booth. You have to come around, Lars. The surf center booth. Jordi is right next to me, obviously our surf center team rider. So we're gonna have some fun this week. We're gonna go out for a training session. Lars and I have been around the island for the last 2 days for the Fuerteventura spot guide, which is gonna come here after the event. So stay tuned for that. We have the Dutch porn star here. How's life out there?
Life is difficult.
Is it really?
You know, I thought you come from Pozo, right? Swell, waves, you know, tough conditions. Like, here it's a bit flatter, it's easier. Me, I think I was more comfortable in Pozo than I was here.
Still waiting for Enrico. He's like the Enrico, you know, sometimes he's like a girl. I don't know what he's doing. Maybe he's putting makeup.
Yes, makeup. I always like to look pretty when I do some windsurfing session, you know.
Nice that we went with 5.7 because it was too much, but it's good training. So I'm actually happy. We went and did some jibes, training. So we were ready and tuned to go. So we had the registration and had to get our gear ready, bring it down to the beach and start with the first races. You're nervous? You don't need to be. Yeah. You just go out and you run your programs. Same thing you do all the time, every day. Registration is done, and guys, we have a very special announcement because, as you might have seen, we reached 50,000 subscribers on this YouTube channel, and that is thanks to you guys, of course. It's absolutely incredible. The first windsurfing channel to reach that many subscribers, the biggest windsurfing channel in the world. It's been such an amazing journey. I'm gonna keep this short because I have to go out, but to say thank you to you guys, we teamed up with the René Egli Center here in Fuerteventura, and they sponsored this signed Lycra from the event. This is the official event Lycra shirt with all the signatures of all the riders. So this one could be yours. We're gonna give it to one of you guys. All you have to do, you guys know it already, be subscribed, leave a comment and leave your email address in the link below. And yeah, you could win this Lycra shirt. Thank you so much to every single one of you. And now we will get into the action.
So I would say we might see Nico win this event. I don't know, you never know. But especially if it's windy. I think it's pretty choppy. Yeah, I don't know, it's going to be interesting. I wanted to see the fin, but listening to the boys, I think we're going to see more foil than fin. And the guys who have registered smaller stuff, you know, Nico, Prien, Marotti, Matchek, got quite small stuff. I think they're going to be up there again.
It was definitely a tricky start for me because right before the first race, the first heat even, I realized that my batten, my lowest batten was loose. Managed to come through, came back to the beach, and then here at the beach we kind of fixed everything. The guys helped me, so I was able to go back out to sail my semi-final. For me, I didn't really want to talk to the camera after my first race because actually, well, it didn't go too well. I mean, I did the B final, so no major fallout. I think I finished 12th in that elimination. Not what I was hoping for, but we have a lot more top guys at this event than we had in Gran Canaria. There's Nico, who is one of the top IQ foilers. There's Johan Sö, there's Sebastian Korn. There are really a few guys that are in the top level. So obviously it was going to be a harder fight.
The final was a bit gusty wind, kind of lighter than in the semi-final. The mods are a bit upwind, so to go to the third mod is a bit going upwind, so you lose a lot of speed. So of course the guys on the foil, you just kill it, you know, going upwind. But I like it to be in the final. It's like, you know, yes.
Yeah, it was nice. I was really on the edge on the foil. Was on the 560 wing and 5.8, so it was big. But I'm happy to make it to the final. I made it, I think, by maybe half a meter or something.
I was on a 6.5, but I was even overpowered. It's quite choppy, but it's super fun to be racing. There are a lot of girls on the fin, so that's exciting racing.
I was on 5.4 and yeah, it was okay. I was on control and now the winds pick up a little bit, so let's see for the rest of the competition.
Dass wenn einer vorher reinfällt, dann tendiert man auch dazu noch reinzufallen.
Ja, war das bei dir?
War so. War aber hatte ich das Glück, weil dann haben mich zwei überholt. Und die beiden hat es dann in der nächsten Hase gerade. Erst den einen und da wusste ich, ja, den anderen, den legt es auch rein. Sicher. Ist dann auch passiert. Ich mich dann auch wieder fast noch reingelegt.
Ja, das Ding ist, jeder kommt her und weiß, dass genau das passieren wird.
Ja,
Leute
genau.
überschlagen sich, aber man kann es ja trotzdem nicht verhindern.
Man kann es nicht verhindern.
Weil wenn man es verhindern will, fährt man halt hinterher.
Genau.
So, und das kannst du auch
ja,
nicht
und
sein.
du bist dann halt, du siehst das so und denkst so, jetzt innen, gehst du jetzt innen oder außen und dann ist schon vorbei eigentlich.
Going out now for the second elimination. It's definitely still pretty windy. It was windy in the first one. The first one didn't go so well for me, but I don't think that was because of the wind. Yeah, some other things I struggled with, but yeah, not time to think about that now. Getting ready for the next elimination. I stick to the foil. I think it's not worth messing around with the fin and swapping back and forth. I'm tuned in now on the foil, and I think that's what I'm going to perform best with right now. So let's hope for a better elimination now. I guess that's it for the first day. Just had the afternoon today due to the registration, and yeah, good start into the event. 2 elimination, 2 times B final. So some room for improvement, but yeah, looking forward to the next 2 days.
Semi-final, I didn't took the time. I jibe with the guys and I start.
Yeah,
so Nico coming, so I accelerate.
But you had the save you had one the nearly quarter.
In the quarter.
We were all.
Yeah, it's a second man sometimes.
Yeah, it's a second.
You try to relax,
but you saw Enrico and he crashed. But it was
I didn't see Enrico at all. I didn't see in the semi. Didn't see, so fuck.
No, he had a crash. He was leading in the final mark and crashed. Shit.
What happened before in the first elimination? I was too much. Now I was okay.
Yeah.
But I was too much overpowered. But I said, fuck, I have to go with the foil anyway. And then stupidly alone, I just touched and I crashed. But I saw also Goyard, also many other guys.
Like we were saying, like also Enrico said, when Bruno's in the final, he will win. He was sure you will win. So that was great. And we all said, like, either you crash first, but if you're ahead, if you're strong, if you
crash and I start good, yeah, I fight it.
If you're in the final, you always have the mind and you finish it. You're really solid. It was nice, Bruno. I'm really
happy that you guys watch it. I'm happy that you guys are winning in front of you guys in Fuerteventura, 1 elimination. So now it's already a nice gift, but give me the motivation. I give you already a present. Thank you. I cannot guarantee for the next of the week.
Yeah, I mean, like, yeah, it was good for the win. There was a bit of like lulls and gusts on the water. It was pretty gusty. The race course was really good. Good angles. It was great fun. So happy to be back on with this first day. And I'm looking forward to the next days to be able to come back a bit in the ranking.
Yeah, it was really good. It's very tricky, and I found like a mode of pushing but not pushing too hard, so it was good. Until I don't know. I jibed, the wind dropped, and my foil kind of kept railing, and I just went straight into the mark, like a beginner.
In the first elimination, I do a big catapult. After this, I go directly to see the doctor because my knee a little bit blocked. Now I'm better. I do a loser elimination, but I have not speed in the second reach. I don't know why, but it's okay. The spot is good. A lot of winds, a lot of people. It's amazing to be here.
Second race, still couldn't quite find my rhythm, to be honest. It's a bit different than in Gran Canaria. You don't have a lot of rolling swell, which I kind of liked to accelerate down the swell. So I'm not really nailing the starts here as I did before. Again, did the B final, so I should be happy with that, but the B final was a total mess with a lot of people crashing in front of me, and I had to avoid them, me crashing myself. So not too good, but at the end of the day, 2 B finals, so a solid start, but room to improve.
Well, no, not really happy.
What happened
no,
there?
I did third in the first one, and the second, Mashek didn't see me, I guess. He shoot down and he crashed into me in the third jibe. I was trying to go for the inside to Nico Goyer, and I just shoot down and hit the nose, and we both fell and ended up 5th or 6th in the loser. So yeah, up and down.
It's so comfortable to sleep on Zarakita. I don't think she thinks it's comfortable.
If you film longer, you see us both go down with it.
Bloopers. I mean, it was a good day at the end. I was leading the first final, then I got a weird cavitation, I spinned out and crashed, which is unfortunate. This final, I had good speed. I was a bit too early at the start, so I had to stop, thank God, or else I would have been over early for sure. Managed to fight back to third place, so overall, pretty stoked.
Yeah, today for me the racing has been amazing. Compared to pose, I'm doing much better, so it's really nice to feel that high again of like winning a race. That's epic. Yeah, I just hope I can keep it up. If with this wind, I feel like I have a chance. If the wind would drop, it's a different story because I only have 1 board and 3 sails. But other than that, it's super exciting racing.
And this is it, guys, the first update from here in Fuerteventura. Be sure to leave us a like under the video, leave us some comments. What did you think about the battle out there, about our training, and well, stay tuned for the next video. Be sure to subscribe because all our subscribers and email subscribers as well have the chance this month to win a carbon extension with the base. So yeah, be sure to check that out. Be sure to stay tuned for the next video, and I would say I see you guys tomorrow.